Here's a Lakewood model S-122X. X meaning it has no stand hole, as you can see. I got this one off of eBay last week, but I got it in the mail a few days ago, so. It has a bit of a motor buzz, which I can't really fix. But, yeah, I just finished cleaning it up and oiling it because it was out of balance and has some shit on the shafts, so that's all cleaned up now. So I'm gonna let it run for a little while just so I can break in the bearings and the oil as well. But yeah, we'll start off on low. I'm surprised the buzz actually went away on start. Go high. It has a very interesting GE motor. I mean, it's the same as the white ones, but this one's gray or black in the camera, but it's technically gray. I just found it to be interesting. And no, I did not polish the blades. They came out nice and shiny like that after a quick wipe down. Yeah, that's it, and until next time.